Lieutenant Joseph Musanyufu oriyo muhandiki w'entura mu kitongole kiri kujunaanizibwa bw'enshonga z'omunda y'ihanga lya Uganda hamwe na ACP Linda Nkuranga ow'ihanga lya Uganda nibo bayibembera tiimu z'amahanga gombi omu rukiiko rw'okwongera kutema empenda habikwatirine n'okugira obumwe n'obusinge aha nsharo za Uganda hamwe na Rwanda.
Immigration is at the forefront of cooperation between two peoples. So when peoples can freely move between two countries, we as people who are supposed to facilitate then are doing our work. So distinguished delegates, Uganda is committed to stronger mutual cooperation with Rwanda in this regard.
I would like to reiterate the Rwanda's commitment and the confidence to enormous benefits, the full implementation of the JPC agreed resolutions that they will bring forth and majorly building on our existing long-standing and impactful partnership.
Amahanga gombi gayoreka kushemererwa hankwatandise kugenda kurungi ngo kubayikiriza ino mu rukiko rw'amahanga gombi orwabiro mu ihanga lya Rwanda mu kwezi kwa kashatu mwaka ogu.
Because since the JPC took place in Kigali in March of this year, it is migration and immigration sectors that have moved quite fast.
Very happy. I remember maybe slightly 1 month after, I saw General Goa moving around the borders. And I said, things are moving. I can see that my brother is serious about what we have agreed upon.
Chumuha byahinguzubwa no kwigura inyatano ya Uganda hamwe na Rwanda mu butongore eyakizinga rw'empasha eyibara kugira ngo neje kutungura iby'ubushobozi hagati y'amahanga gombi.
Tomorrow we should be able to move together to Kizinga, Rwempasha on the other side, to assure our people that indeed the border is open for use and they should make good use of it.
I want to reaffirm that Uganda is committed to making it work with a view to facilitate the movement of bona fide businesses and persons across the borders from all partner states within our countries and within the region of East Africa.
Okurigera habitongore by'amahanga gombi enkwatano samwe n'enkurakurana hansharo z'amahanga eyongiriwe mamani ahabo burungi bw'abantu b'amahanga gombi. Inda Aidan Bataringaya.